Welcome to DQE One Standalone. Let's take a tour through our platform's key features for validating, cleansing, and monitoring your data quality needs. Homepage where you can simply start new process and see the news of DQE. Let's head over to the Overview tab. Here's the Overview dashboard, where you can quickly access your latest processes, scheduled jobs, a graph showing the number of different objects processed, emails, phones, addresses, and duplicates, as well as your most recently created rule sets. Let's head over to the Processes tab. Here, you can view all your configured processes, including creation date, last run date, and current status. Use this page to monitor and manage everything from one place. You can also quickly edit any process using the action buttons on the right. You can click here to configure a new process. Each option corresponds to a different kind of data quality task, such as checking emails, phone numbers, postal addresses, deduplicating records, or simply formatting or replacing data. In a process, you can choose from various data sources, such as CRM platforms like Salesforce or Dynamics, a secure SFTP connection, or simply upload a CSV file from your computer. Let's head over to the Scheduler tab. Need to run checks regularly? The scheduler allows you to automate data quality checks to run at the times that work best for you. Let's head over to the History tab. You can review past executions of your processes, including their status, execution time, and volume. It's your go-to place for tracking and auditing your data quality operations. Let's head over to the Rules Manager tab. Here's the Rules Manager where all your validation logic lives. No magic wands, just well-organized rules. You can click here to configure a new rule set. Here, you can create matching rules to detect similar records, set parent rules to define master records, and configure merge rules to combine duplicate entries. It's a powerful tool to ensure clean, unified data. Let's click on the Consumption button. It opens a detailed view that gives you a clear breakdown of your credit usage across email, phone, and address verification processes. You have access to a help center available anytime by clicking here. It's your go-to resource for guides, quick answers, and best practices to get the most out of the platform. Let's head over to the Profile tab. Update your personal details, change your password, and configure your credentials and notifications to personalize your experience with DQE One. That completes our tour. Thanks for exploring DQE One Standalone with us. Feel free to revisit any section or reach out if you have questions about implementing these features.